So hello students, now today we are going to discuss the next point, present perfect tense. So in present perfect tense, already I have told you the tense in the present indefinite and present continuous. In the two tense, if you remember, I just revise, you have done in the identification, then the structure, and how you fill the correct form in the present indefinite sentence and the present continuous sentence. So now actually you people have done the tense or the sentences separately, and you may have been taught in the other way, but this is the very new way for you to learn to solve the exercise of the tense. Now actually there are three steps. First thing, you need to identify the tense in the sentence, and the second thing, for that you need identification words, and third, to fill the correct form. So now today as I am telling you the present perfect tense. So what is the structure of present perfect tense? Now see, subject has have plus PP form and object. Well, subject, your subject, you know, then has have. Where we use has, where we use have, that I have told you already. In the present indefinite tense I told you. Then past participle form, this is the past participle form, this is the structure. It means wherever you see this structure, wherever you see this combination, it means this is the sentence of present perfect tense. Do not go with the name, do not go after the name. Present perfect tense means something has been done or not done. Leave this thing. You just know, you just identify, you just recognize the sentence with the help of the structure. So that is has, have plus PP form. This structure, this pattern, this combination is called present perfect. So we fill this structure. Now thing comes how we identify the sentence. Well, I am telling you some identification word. Identification words. Few words which help us to identify the tense in the sentence, like just, okay, never, ever, yet, so far, already, always, till now, and for since, just, never, ever, yet, so far, already, always, till now, for, or since. These are the few words. With the help of these words we identify the tense in the sentence. So first thing, you learn the structure. Second thing, identification words. You must remember the identification words. So two things are very most compulsory for you to understand. These things, these two things will tell you the tense and sentence. Now with the help of some examples, I will explain how you can identify and how you can fill the verbs. So you just note down the structure and identification words in your notebook just right now. So now we'll continue further with the examples. Well, first Sentence C. I have just this movie. See, this is one example. Suppose in your exams this sentence has been given. Now how we identify the sentence and how we fill the correct form of the verb? This is very scientific, this is very mathematical, this is very technical. Now you just see just the sentence, in the sentence word you see just. However, we use just in other sentences also, in other tenses also, but there it has some other place, there it is used at some other place, there it is used for some other reason. But in this tense, present perfect tense, it comes after has or have. It comes after has or have. If you see after has or have, just it means the sentence the sentence will be of present perfect according to this structure. So there is one more blank we are going to fill. Now you have identified the tense and sentence. Now the verb is see. So how we see has, have plus past participle. So the past participle form of see is seen. So I have just seen this movie. Now see one more example. He has already me tell. The verb is tell. Now he has already verb tell. Now this is the sentence. Now already is there, and after has, have, you see already, it means present perfect tense, and according to present perfect tense we use the past participle form. So he has already, past participle of tell is told. So he has already told me. See one more example. We blank this is the sentence. We blank never to Nepal. Now there are two verbs. We have not been given has, have, auxiliary I tell. There is a finite verb. We are not given finite verb, and non-finite both have not been given. So how we fill now? So students, if never is just after the subject, if just after the subject, it means never is used in the present indefinite also, but it is not with the subject. There is one blank. It means here we are going to fill a verb. So this is not present indefinite. It means the never shows that place of present perfect tense. So according to present perfect tense, we are going to fill the verb we has or have. I told you with the plural number we use have, and we plural number, so we have never. Go, the past participle form of go is gone to Nepal. We have never gone to Nepal. So this way students, we fill the correct form of the verb of present perfect tense. We will continue the exercise, more exercise with more examples, and we are going to do in your next class. By the time you note down the structure and identification words and these examples, and try to solve. If you have any guide or any exercise book, you can solve these, fill up these exercises, and you can identify the present perfect tense, and you can do more exercise, and we will continue this tense in your next video. By the time, enjoy, good time. Thank you.